What if I told you the biggest reason most people don't achieve their goals isn't lack of talent, it isn't lack of money, it isn't bad luck. It is because they're constantly living someone else's life. Every morning starts with Instagram. Every evening ends with YouTube shorts. And somewhere in between, we become experts in everyone else's success story, except our own. Here's the irony. We know what influencers are doing. We know what celebrities are buying. We know what our classmates are earning. But ask yourself one question. When was the last time you genuinely invested one uninterrupted hour in becoming a better version of yourself? I'll tell you one story to understand this better. There is a very famous story. Two woodcutters were competing. The first one kept chopping continuously for 10 hours. The second one kept taking short breaks. At sunset, the second woodcutter had cut far more trees. The first one was shocked. He asked, "How did you beat me? You kept stopping." The second woodcutter smiled and said, "I wasn't resting, I was sharpening my axe." The story isn't about cutting trees, it's about life. Most people are busy, very few people are improving. Now, there's a huge difference between movement and progress. Reading books, learning skills, exercising, reflecting, thinking deeply, these activities don't produce instant results, but they sharpen your axe. Here's another story of the bamboo lesson. This is a Chinese bamboo tree. For almost 5 years, nothing appeared above the ground after the seed was sown in the ground. If someone didn't know the story, they would assume the seed had failed. But underground, the roots are spreading in every direction. Only after building a powerful foundation, and the bamboo suddenly grows almost 90 feet within 6 to 8 weeks. Success works exactly the same way. People celebrate visible growth. They ignore invisible preparation. When someone becomes successful overnight, most of the time, that overnight success actually took years. Let us understand why we lose focus. Psychologists describe something called social comparison. Our brain naturally compares us with others. Earlier in human history, we compared ourselves with maybe 50 or 100 people. But what we do today? Today, social media makes us compare ourselves with millions. You are comparing your ordinary Tuesday with someone else's best moment, and that's an unfair comparison. Imagine trying to run a marathon. While constantly looking sideways, eventually you will slow down. Maybe you will fall. The only comparison that truly matters is between who you are today and who you were yesterday. Let me give you a real example. Consider James Clear. His central idea isn't dramatic transformation overnight. It's tiny improvements. If you improve by just 1% every day, those small gains compound over time. That's how careers change. That's how businesses grow. That's how confidence is built. Not through motivation alone, but through consistent action. Success rarely comes from one extraordinary decision. It comes from hundreds of ordinary decisions repeated consistently. And here's a challenge for you. For the next 30 days, spend less time tracking other people's lives and more time building your own. Read, exercise, learn, create, write, and practice. Practice, practice, and improve. Because one day people will call you lucky. They will see your results. They won't see the mornings you woke up early, the weekends you sacrificed, the failures you learned from, or the moments when nobody believed in you. You need to remember this. Your greatest competition isn't the person ahead of you. It's the version of yourself that's comfortable staying exactly where you are. So stop chasing attention, start chasing growth, because when you become valuable, success doesn't have to be chased, it starts chasing you. Focus on yourself, everything will be fine, and you will become the better version of yourself. Imagine two people start from the same place, same school, same city, same opportunities, but 10 years later, one has built a successful career, earns well, is mentally strong, and inspires people. The other one is still saying, "बस मेरी किस्मत खराब थी." So what changed? Not luck, not intelligence, not family background. Only habits changed. Because your future isn't decided by what you do once in a while, it's decided by what you do every single day. Today I'm going to give you no motivation speech. I'm going to show you 10 habits that every successful person follows. So let's begin. Habit 1. Successful people start before they feel ready. A young man wanted to learn swimming. Every day he stood beside the pool, watching others, reading books about swimming, watching YouTube tutorials, but he never entered the water. One day, an old coach smiled and said, "You will never learn swimming until you are willing to get wet." How many dreams are waiting? Not for money, not for permission, but for your first step. Successful people don't wait for confidence. They build confidence by taking action. Remember, action creates confidence. Waiting creates fear. Habit number 2. Successful people protect their time. Imagine someone gives you 86,400 rupees every morning, but whatever you don't use by midnight disappears forever. You will spend every rupee carefully. Now realize, every day you receive 86,400 seconds. You can never save them. You can only use them. Successful people understand this. That's why when they don't waste hours arguing online, gossiping, or endlessly scrolling, because time is the only currency they can never earn back. Habit 3. Successful people read more than they scroll. Two friends boarded the same train every day. One spent an hour scrolling social media. The other spent that hour reading books. 1 year later, the first had watched thousands of reels. The second one had finished dozens of books. And 5 years later, one was still consuming content. The other was creating it. Your phone can either entertain you or educate you. The choice is yours. Habit number 4. Successful people stay consistent. There's a story of a stone cutter. He hits a huge rock once. Nothing happens. 10 times hit. Nothing happens. 50 times. Still nothing happened. On the 100th strike, the rock breaks. Did the 100th hit break the rock? No. Every strike mattered. Success is exactly like that. People celebrate the last effort, but they ignore the 99 before it. Never underestimate small daily efforts. Habit 5. Successful people never compare. A sunflower never competes with a rose. A mango tree never compares itself to a coconut tree. Both grow and both bloom. Both have different seasons. So, why do we compare our lives with someone else's timeline? Comparison steals happiness and focus creates progress. The only person you should compete with is your yesterday's version of yourself. Habit number 6. They accept failure. A little boy was learning to ride a bicycle. He fell again and again. His father never shouted. He simply said, "Every fall teaches your body what balance feels like." Life works the same way. Failure isn't the opposite of success. Failure is the training ground of success. Every mistake gives feedback. Every rejection builds resilience. Habit number 7. Successful people keep their self-positive. Imagine planting a healthy seed but surrounding it with poisonous plants. Will it grow properly? Probably not. People are exactly the same. Spend time with people who inspire you, who challenge you, who encourages your dreams. Energy is contagious. Choose carefully. Habit 8. Successful people take care of their body. Just imagine a businessman bought an expensive luxury car. Every week he serviced it, used premium fuel, cleaned it carefully, but he ignored his own wealth. No sleep, no exercise, no healthy food. Isn't it strange? We protect machines better than our own bodies. Your body is the vehicle carrying your dreams. You have to take care of it. And the second last one. Habit 9. Successful people work even when motivation disappears. Motivation feels amazing, isn't it? But it doesn't stay forever. Discipline does. Think about brushing your teeth every day. You don't wait to feel motivated to brush your teeth. You just go and do it. Successful people make important work feel like brushing their teeth. It is not optional. It is just part of their life. And the last and the most important, they never stop learning. There's an old saying, the moment you think you know everything, you stop growing. The world changes every day. Technology changes, business changes, skills change. The people who keep learning keep winning. Learning is no longer a luxury, it's a survival. So, let me leave you with one final story. A man visited 2 construction sites and he asked the first worker, "What are you doing?" The worker replied, "I am laying bricks." He asked the second worker the same question. The second one smiled and said, "I am building a cathedral." Both were doing the same work, but one saw today's task and the other saw tomorrow's vision. That's the difference successful people have. They don't just live each day, they build a future every day. Remember, your habits are casting votes for the person you will become. You don't become successful in one day, you become successful one habit at a time. So tonight, don't try to change your entire life, just choose one habit from this video. Practice it every day for the next 30 days because one habit can change 1 month can change 1 year, and 1 year can completely change your life. If this video added value to your life, don't just like it, share it, and please write it in comments. Subscribe for more psychology and practical motivation related videos.